Mami kunyo igia fruit. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SC Life with Jenny. So today Jamie is in the village. Jamie is a village girl, not the usual Luma you see, not the HR doctor. Right now I am SC Life right in the village, right in Laredo constituency, Sierra Town. And today I'm gonna cook, fry some vegetables, and I'm going to use the pots. And I just want to tell you that SC Life with Jamie is about everything. The HR doctor today is in the village cooking. Use the traditional methods how to make this nice vegetable. So can't wait. Just shall be the art. Careful. So I'll put the onions first. And of course, if I take it all simple, nothing so serious, nothing classy. Everything is just natural. And don't judge me. Just listen and don't judge me. Oh, she's using a plastic cup or pink cup. No, we are in the village, but nothing matters. Just three here. So this is the oil I'm using. This is the oil. I'll put enough oil for the vegetables. And of course the vegetables I'll use it. I'll cook the vegetables without tomatoes so that it is just natural and okay. Meanwhile, there are two types of traditional vegetables that I'm preparing today. This one was done yesterday. This was boiled yesterday. It goes in the pot. And then this also. I don't know how to call them. Forgive me. There's mito and a pot. By the way, I need to do a research. I need to do a research of the names of these traditional vegetables. I need to do a research, but in another time I can say there's deg, there's osuga, saga, we call them saga, whatever. And I can, it's so mixed. And then on this other one, on this other pot, I have the mito. It's a bit slimy, mito and a pot. So all these are traditional vegetables. And again, I'm gonna show you in the next few minutes on how we get them from the garden, direct from the garden. So these are just taken from the garden, just uprooted them, and we ensure that we keep it healthy here. For those who are wondering, those who are just joining, SC Life with Jamie is here, enjoying life in the village. Here in the village, you cook while crying. Yes, I'm crying already. Because of the smoke. Yes, I was just telling a short joke that I read somewhere that you cannot fatten the cow on a market day. What am I trying to say? This time, take a break, be with your family, and enjoy life, and ensure that you take the proper break that you need for your tomatoes. Just use the onions, then after onions, we'll put the milk and the ghee and color. Ha! So I'll put some salt. Get some taste. So then I'll add, at this point, I'll add some milk, of course the cow milk. I'll add some milk, cow milk, just to make it taste even much better. And let it simmer. So this one is also ready now. Just want to put the onions and it's a bit slimy. Actually, not a bit slimy, it is slimy. A pot. Very nice with the brown girl. Oh my goodness, so nice. And the same shall be done to this. Enough salt to add taste. Okay, this I have to say. You know, my mom is seated next here, and I'm cooking, doing my content creation, and then she's like, "Kiket chumi." Then she remembers it is now. Really, she should just go to the house. She's been controlling me. Oh, kitungu no wang. Oh, kikiket. Anyway, kiaket milk. Anyway, so. Hey, mother hen. So I'll put milk. Kiket milk. Kiket chumi. Yeah. So here I am with my milk. She almost wants to come and cook with me, and I'm the one cooking. So. Hey, I want the cameraman to just come and show this one. Aston. Hey. Just come and see inside here how it's looking, how yummy it is. Look at it. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Then you let it, you cover it. Then you let it simmer. I come and visit this number one. Just come, camera. So my mom has come to taste. Every taste. Oh, and this other one. Oh. Hey. She had to come. Mother hen. Get chumvi. Chumvi. Gidho luo. It's okay? Yeah. Like. Oh, Nadi.
I said to go. Very nice.
It's nice. But she has approved it. It's nice, eh?
Very nice.
Very nice. Very sweet.
So sweet. I said
Done. So, my lovely viewers, it's left right here in the village. So, you see the way I've done the traditional vegetables. Of course, I will show you the end point. But for now, I'm going to the garden, to the shamba, to pick some fresh vegetables again. Coming in a baby, the ladybird. Anyway, all right. So we are here in the farm because I'm sweating. It is sunny. It's a good exercise, though. It's a good exercise. Sometimes what might happen is that by the time I go back to the office, when I go back to Nairobi, it's kind of like I've lost so many kgs. The activities are always not so little. They are always overwhelming, interesting. So, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Nyakajoro ni nyakapot moko ntiere kae.
Diketo?
Anina neno kakao. Kuto
apotero ni mbele ni kati.
Apot pende wakao.
Ndio anogoya.
Nyakajoro what should kakao? Mako kakao?
Ako tutuiti beti kakawa. Mana ko bedo gutu.
So this and all those is enough for us. We can go and keep them. Oh, another ladybird is here. Do you remember ladybird? Just here doing the village. The village there. So we just finished, but we also realized that there are some insects that need to be sprayed here so that vegetables can stay healthy and we can still have more for us. This is the outcome of the cooking pot. Just so sweet. And then not to forget Chef Bella is around. She has insisted that you have to take the chicken that she made for lunch today. So when you take this, when you take this, then you have the adila. Adila, this is cow milk that has been fermented and blended. So sweet, natural sweetness. Remember, you lose the weight in the kitchen, but get fit in the gym. And also, you are the creator of your own results. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my channel, A Sing Life with Jenny. Comment, like, and share.